Technically, the Russian word Bezimyany translates to nameless in English, so Mount Bezimyany is literally named the Nameless Volcano. On April 11th of 2023, Russian volcanologists found themselves ducking for cover when the Nameless mountain blew its lid. That's not a cloud you see looming overhead. It's a giant plume of ash and volcanic rock. Our scientists had no choice since they couldn't outrun the eruption. Luckily, they had time to build a small hut out of the equipment they had on hand. Watch how the ash cloud moves overhead and drops tiny rocks onto their makeshift roof. According to reports, Mount Bezimyany had been erupting since the end of March. Lava flowed from the crater, and giant ash clouds were reported in the sky. Despite the warnings, these scientists departed for the mountain on April 7th, 4 days before this eruption. The plan was to collect samples and install gas analyzers, but those plans were quickly halted when Mother Nature decided she didn't want them there.